Hi guys. So today we want to learn about matrix multiplication. So the question says if A equals to 2, 3, 6, 4. So we have these two square matrices. We want to multiply them. Now what we're going to do is to say since A, so I'm going to bring the both of them together, meaning that AB is going to be something like this. 2, 3, 6, 4. So I'm going to put the other one just side by side. 5, 7, 9, 11. Now, if this is what I have, how do we multiply matrix? This is different from the scalar multiplication where you just pick a number and say multiply each of the elements one after the other. In this case, you're going to say you're going to multiply this particular number, okay, with this. Then you add the product also of this to this. Okay, so let's just go. So we're going to say 2 times 5 plus 3 times 9. So that's what's going to be in the first row 1, column 1. Okay, then for row 1, column 2, we're going to say 2 times 7 plus 3 times 11. So it's going to be 2 times 7 plus 3 times 11. So for row 2, column 1, it's going to be 6 times 5 plus 4 times 9. So we have 6 times 5 plus 4 times 9. Then for row 2, column 2, it's going to be 6 times 7, 6 times 7 plus 4 times 11. So that's what we're going to get. Then let's try to work them out. 2 times 5 is 10. Then 3 times 9 is 27. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 11 is 33. 6 times 7 is 42. 4 times 11 is 44. 6 times 5 is 30. 4 times 9 is 36. So what do we have now is going to be 10 plus 27 is going to give us 37, while 14 plus 33 is going to give us 47. 42 plus 44 is going to give us 86, while 30 plus 36 is going to give us 66. So we've gotten our new matrix, and that's actually the product of A and B. Now let's take a look at our second question. So still on the matrix multiplication, so we say AB is going to give us, now remember what I said, we have to multiply this with this. So that's going to give us cosine x multiplied by cosine x. Then we're going to add up, so it's going to be plus minus sine x and this times minus sine x. So that's for the very first, what's it called, we have there. Then we're going to go to the other, that's row 1, column 2. This time it's going to be cosine x times sine x. So it's going to be cosine x times sine x. Okay. Then we say plus minus sine x times cosine x. So it's going to be minus sine x times cosine x. So this is the product that we are getting. So we'll go to the next row and column. So for row 2, column 1, we're going to do sine x times cosine x. So that's going to give us sine x cosine x plus, so remember, sine x times cosine x plus cosine x times, so cosine x times minus sine x. Then we'll come to the other side. So we have sine x times sine x, sine x times sine x, plus cosine x times cosine x, cosine x times cosine x. Yeah, so that's it. Now we're going to try to open them up. Cosine x times cosine x is going to give me cosine squared x, while this is negative times negative is going to give me positive, so that's plus. So sine x times sine x is going to give me sine squared x. This is cosine x times sine x is going to give me sine x cosine x. Then negative times plus is minus, of course. So sine x times cosine x is going to give me the same thing, sine x cosine x. Then we come here, sine x times cosine x is sine x cosine x. So this negative times this positive is going to give me, of course, negative. So that's sine x times cosine x is sine x cosine x. Then we have this, sine x times sine x is going to give me sine squared x, while this is cosine squared x. So I'm going to put them all in the bracket now. So cosine x times cosine x plus sine x, actually there's a trig relationship. They have a trig relationship that gives us 1. Okay, it's a trig identity. While sine x cosine x minus sine x cosine x, of course, that's 0. So this is also 0. And this is also the trig identity, which gives us 1. So when we multiply the matrices A and B, it gives us this. And remember, we call this kind of matrix what? A unit matrix or identity matrix. So that is what we got, identity or unit matrix, when this is solved. So that is what we get. I hope you've learned something and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.